Leaktronics, the industry leader in leak detection technology and manufacturing, has created the Plumbers Leak Detection Kit for accurately identifying the precise location of leaks in pipes and plumbing. Designed with the specific needs of plumbing leak detection, each piece of equipment in the Plumbers Leak Detection Kit is crafted with superior sensitivity and the ability to hear leaks through concrete and soil, floors and walls, cabinetry and tile, and even rocky landscapes. When metal pipes leak, using the pipe probe to listen on those pipes, valve handles, stub-ups, and hose bibs will allow the user to hear the vibration caused by a leak in the line. It sounds like this. This sound is made by pressure pushing the water through a crack, hole, or separation in the pipe. Because metal pipes easily transfer sound, touching on any part of the active line will produce a sound. Honing in on the exact location of where the water is escaping the pipe requires other methods. In the Plumbers Leak Detection Kit, users will also find a deck plate and a soft-sided listening disc. The surface area of the deck plate is flat. With no rubber rings or pronged feet extending from the plate, the wide surface area of the deck plate listens, unencumbered by materials that muffle the leak and impede on the sounds it makes. This allows for supreme accuracy in leak locating. The soft-sided listening disc functions in the same way, but with a literal soft rubber coating that keeps the device from scratching wood and tile surfaces. Where metal pipes will radiate a sound, plastic and PVC pipes will not, and in both situations, identifying the precise area of the leak can be done by using the equipment and methods that create the sound of a leak with user control. This is performed by using the pressure rig in the Plumbers Leak Detection Kit. Creating pressure in an isolated pipe will force fluid to escape the pipe through the crack and will create an easily audible and louder sound at the area of a leak. By using a mixture of water with injected bursts of air, the user employs the deck plate, the pipe probe, or the soft-sided listening disc to hear the air bubble and boil out of the pipe. It sounds like this. Collectively, the equipment in the Plumbers Leak Detection Kit is designed deliberately for precise leak locating in any instance. For leak detection technicians, we hope this helps understand the kinds of sounds made from leaking pipes and how employing the equipment in the Plumbers Leak Detection Kit accurately identifies where leaks occur so repairs can be made and water loss can be stopped fast. Learn about all of Leaktronics equipment and training options by visiting Leaktronics.com or call 818-436-2953 for more information today.